From a portable outdoor kitchen island with all your cooking needs, to a maneuverable all-terrain hybrid of a snowboard and a skateboard, here are some of the most mind-blowing gadgets that will amaze you. FlexTail Tiny Repel. This mosquito repellent offers complete protection from mosquitoes. It works up to 7 hours and has 2 sides with repellent mats. Within 50 seconds, it heats up to 329 degrees Fahrenheit, creating a protective zone of 30 feet. This is the outdoor mode. There's also a switch mode that provides a 10-foot zone and runs for up to 10 hours. Additionally, the Repel serves as a bright camping lantern with adjustable brightness levels lasting up to 9 hours at full intensity. It can even be used as a power bank to charge devices while on the go. It's impressive for something so small. Brace yourself for a breathtaking spectacle of mind-blowing discoveries that are guaranteed to astonish you and render you utterly speechless. Backyard Banger. If you're having a barbecue in your backyard and want to have a great time, you should get a portable outdoor kitchen island. The Backyard Banger is perfect for this, as it has a large 16-inch counter space, a built-in Bluetooth speaker that pops up, 2 outlets, 2 USB chargers, and even a wireless MagSafe charger to keep the music playing. It also has a sink with a soap dispenser, a top glass rinser, and a fridge to make things convenient and clean for your guests. Oh, and don't forget to set a comfortable atmosphere within the 15-foot triple apex solar umbrella and solar LED lights. Rode Video Micro 2. If you're a video creator, live streamer, or just someone who's always on the go, you definitely need this small and lightweight camera mount microphone. It's called the Rode Video Micro 2 and it's perfect for any device you use, whether it's a phone, camera, or something else. Just choose the right cable and plug it in. It comes with a Helix isolation mount system, foam, and furry windshields to ensure your recordings are clear and free from any unwanted noise or interference caused by handling or wind. Remember, it runs on your device's battery, so make sure it's charged enough before using it. Dockcase Pocket M2 NVMe Smart SSD Enclosure. Why would someone want a tiny SSD enclosure like this? Well, it's really small and compact. It has USB connectivity and smart features that make portable storage even better. It has a small 3-inch screen that shows real-time drive status, read and write speeds, and data usage. You can also access detailed smart data, adjust settings, check the temperature, and update the firmware with just a button press. And the best part is its large storage capacity, which is great for content creators, travelers, and busy professionals. Mastic Light Up Chess. This incredible chessboard is like something out of a magical world. The pieces light up without any wires using a special technology called electromagnetic induction, which looks really captivating. The board itself provides power to the pieces, so you don't need batteries for them. And when you're not playing chess, you can use this set as a beautiful decoration because it looks so impressive. Go Chess. I also have another amazing chessboard to show you. Each piece can move on its own, and the mechanism is really smooth and quiet. You can even play without using your hands by giving voice commands through Bluetooth. The Go Chess board has a network of small robots with wheels that move the magnetic chess pieces in real time, mimicking the moves made by players who are not physically present. Whether you're playing against other people or challenging the AI, the board can guide you with color-coded LEDs beneath each square, suggesting the best moves. There's also an accompanying app that offers options for solo play, including puzzles and analysis of historical matches. The app also tracks your progress and provides suggestions for improvement. Insta360 Flow. Planning to shoot a video? Give the Insta360 Flow Advanced AI Smartphone Stabilizer a try to improve its quality. This device is really smart and can track your movements or any subject with amazing accuracy. It has a top-of-the-line 3-axis stabilization system that ensures exceptional stability, giving you smooth shots no matter how active you are. The stabilizer holds your smartphone steadily, resulting in cinematic footage. The best part is that you don't need any extra equipment because the stabilizer already has a built-in selfie stick and tripod. It even doubles as a power bank, so you'll have all the essentials for capturing breathtaking footage no matter where your adventures take you. Simply select the desired mode and orientation and you're ready to start shooting. 4Movie Projector. Introducing the 4Movie Theater Projector, the first ever 4K ultra short throw laser projector with Dolby Vision technology. In simple terms, this means that the colors are brighter and more vibrant than ever before. Even with additional light, the picture remains bright, and in the dark, it's similar to an OLED TV. The projector can display an image up to 150 inches even when placed close to the wall. The controls are easy to use, whether it's the button on the projector or the remote control with quick access buttons for YouTube and voice assistant. Certified with Android 110 TV, it supports over 5,000 Google Play apps and popular streaming services like Disney+, HBO, Hulu, and more. The audio quality is exceptional thanks to Bowers & Wilkins speakers powered by Dolby Atmos technology. Get ready to embark on an electrifying and awe-inspiring adventure as we reveal not one, but 2 mind-blowing wonders that will ignite your imagination and leave you craving for more exhilarating discoveries. Sightful Spacetop. Some of us require multiple screens, but they can be big and take up space needed for other devices. It might be worth considering the Sightful Spacetop AR laptop. Unlike regular laptops, it comes with a keyboard and AR glasses. When you wear these glasses, any place can become your personal workspace with as many windows as you prefer, all in the sizes you want. The great thing is that it functions just like a normal laptop without any complicated gesture controls or the need for any additional hardware. Plus, it ensures your data stays private and secure. Ungoverned Vendetta. Have you tried every winter gear imaginable to have fun on snowy or snowless hills? Well, then you should check out the Ungoverned Vendetta Attract electric skateboard. In simple terms, it's a mix of a snowboard and a skateboard. It's incredibly maneuverable and even faster than its predecessors. Be careful not to run over your father. With its hinged center section and mountain bike suspension, the Vendetta can handle any type of terrain while keeping both tracks firmly on the ground. Its larger surface area provides exceptional traction, 4 times more than a typical dirt bike. And here's the best part. This adorable skateboard can run for up to 40 minutes, reaching a top speed of 31 miles per hour, regardless of the terrain you're riding on.